Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on KuCoin, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and then at the top of the screen you can see the buy crypto option, and then select the sell one at the top of the screen, and then you have to select the type of crypto that you would like to sell. And after that you have to type in the amount of Bitcoin that you would like to sell, and you can see that you should see at the bottom the amount of money that you will get for that Bitcoin, but because I do not have that Bitcoin, it says that insufficient balance. And then here you can select the pay with 3 options, or not 3, there are more if you scroll, and here you can see a bunch of options, and then click on the sell, and you will be able to sell your crypto. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.